Oh, okay, so today we're doing teriyaki chicken wings, and I'm doing it because Super Bowl's coming, so I'm trying to do a couple finger foods as appetizers. So I got my wings. I've already got it set in the air fryer. Now you look, I'm using an Philips air fryer. Right there. I got it on 400 degrees, 30 minutes. I've got one batch in. So now we're going to go and show you what does it take to put it together. So I've got, I'm making my own sauce, and you saw that already. You saw me do it previously. But if you have the wings whole, in the air fryer you have to cut them up. If you're using your oven, you can keep them whole. But because you're limited space on the air fryer, now if you pan down, see, I'm cutting off this little arm, the little wing part, right? So I have two pieces, right? So there it is. Cut it right here in the V, like that. Push down. You can see the knuckle here. Push down. Very simple. Oh, and let's look at our sauce we just made over here.
Ah, the teriyaki sauce.
There it is. You saw me make this earlier. Now it's reduced about half. So there it is. It's almost done. Now we're going to strain out the solid particles later. Okay, so that's done. Put this aside. Now we have we're going to put salt and pepper. Season it now. If you season it later, it's going to be too late. Fresh ground salt or regular iodized salt. Kosher salt is good too. Mix it up. Put some on the other side. There we go. Put some olive oil. Squirt, squirt, squirt. Ooh, lots. Now mix it up with your hand. Don't worry about your hands. It's going to cook. And it's sterilized. So that's pretty much ready to go. There you go. Now that we have the salt and pepper, a little bit of olive oil on there, we're going to go to the air fryer. Again, I've already preheated it. So we're going to do 400 at 30 minutes. Again, depending on how big they are, the altitude, it could take less. But it's not going to take more in an air fryer. So there it is. Now when I put these in, I already did one batch. You want to hear that sizzle. Skin side down to start with. Now if you notice, I could have put all of them in at one time, double the batch.
But you didn't. I want to ask you why.
Because the air fryer needs space. The concept, it cooks with hot air. If the air can't penetrate through between them and the slats here, it won't cook evenly. You have to have, see how you have a little space?
Yeah.
If you don't have a space, it's not going to get crispy.
Oh.
Some will be crispy, some will, some won't.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so there you go. Right.
This could be in your office, this could be in your small one-bedroom apartment, this could be in your RV, correct, Chef?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Could be in your spaceship.
Right. The possibilities of this kind of cooking is endless.
So, since we're going to put a little cilantro on it,
okay.
I'm going to cut up some cilantro. Here's my cilantro. Make sure you take off the stems, because, you want it to be nice and leafy. I don't know about you, but I like cilantro. Some people, they can take it or leave it. But we'll use it as a garnish at this point. Let's take out the big knife.
All right, the heavy artillery.
That's good right there. Enough. There you go. Okay, so we're at the final stage now. The chicken's done. Let's take a look. Turn it off. Now, okay, see, now it's all crispy.
Okay, I see.
We're going to put these in the bowl.
Oh, look at that. Oh.
We already salted it, so we shouldn't need any more because the sauce has sugar and salt.
Chef, how long did it take actual time at the Philips air fryer?
It only took about 22 minutes. So
22 minutes at 400 degrees.
Right.
Okay.
It depends on the altitude and how big the chicken wings are. Could take 30, doesn't it? Okay, so here it is. So now I'm going to come over here I'm going to put the sauce in it.
Oh, I see.
Just put a little bit at first, then we'll... Okay, that's probably plenty.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. So now we're going to toss it. Get it moving around. You know, I think needs a little bit more.
Oh yeah.
Okay, there you go.
Oh yeah, baby.
We're going to smush it around. Don't want to put too much because then some people might
you're right.
not like it.
Yep. We can always put more, but you can't take out.
Correct.
Yep.
So here we go.
Oh, look at that.
Nice and crispy. Wipe off the excess. Oh, I forgot sesame seeds. Cilantro. It's a little too much there. Folks, thank you for coming by. Today's my teriyaki chicken wings.